Christmas!
Hey Dayz.
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler. It's time!
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's a bright time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time.
We're splitting up, we're playing Monopoly and we're playing Dominoes.
Circle here.
Anybody that play Monopoly, food and yam first. Is that video not a picture?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god!
What is that?
We are so blessed. Our soul is at rest.
Action, a prize, or you win money. Okay?
Jessica, sit down.
Read up.
Read up.
Sorry about
Thank you, Kayla. Bye, to the message.
Try again next time.
No, the time of the start when we pick the team. No, so. Start ringing.
Man, like Kayla.
Tell us something weird about we don't know. Okay. I have bold pinkies. There it is, bold pinkies.
Ocean 10.
Wow, I opened up my day.
Let's grab the seat.
Genuinely opened up my
And please choose somebody when not go yet.
Tell us who in the room would you hate to be stuck in the world alone with. I just think we don't want nobody to take care, right? So, I'm one of the kids.
Why am I here?
We're not saying.
So sad, try again.
Congratulations, you win a gift box.
What?
No,
Sorry, bad pick.
Watch out for the glass.
No, tell the truth. If you could live forever, what would you do? Try to do, sir? Wait, let me can't live forever.
I'm coming to Edward Theory. Yeah.
Dragon.
Congratulations, you won a gift bag! Finally! Woo!
Yes, one. It's the next time.
Wanna make too much noise?
Sorry, tough luck.
Congratulations! Congratulations, you win $100!
Hey, congratulations! You won a gift bag! You won a gift bag!
you won a gift bag. Hey.
You heard him.
Check it.
Suck luck.
If you could only bring 2 persons with you to heaven, which
2. Will you bring? Pick me, man, the vibes.
Auntie Susan and
God is good.
mother.
Let grandma read it now.
Oh no, tough luck.
Congratulations, you win a gift. Pick again, it's your lucky day.
Pick again. Let us one. Let's see.
So,
try again.
When you pick, you win million ground here, you know. You need to have a scissors.
You won a gift bag, but you have to give it to someone else. Someone else next to you. Who next to me? Who next to me? Who next to me?
Congratulations, you wanna give
Nice. Congratulations! You won a gift bag! Yeah, boy! Remember,
Take this moment to reminisce about something you did
To someone.
to someone.
oh, say that win no prize. So, what you want the bad things then?
If you could pick 2 persons in the room to be in a lifeboat with you, survive a flood, which 2 persons would you pick?
Make
You can't swim. How about your son? Can the guy sister?
Right, yeah?
Come to me, she come!
Help! Eh, $100.
All this time you can't have to move.
No, this is
Try again next time. Which person in the room is most likely to end up falling for a scam?
Feel something. Feel a connection with that one.
Okay.
Congrats, you won bills!
Come on.
If you won the lottery today, what the first thing you would do?
Get Pinky off!
By house?
Congratulations, you won a gift box.
So sorry, love. Try again.
You win a bills!
Try.
Oh, sorry. What is try again?
What are 3 words that describe you best?
Well, I'm loving, caring, and kind.
Yes! Somebody over?
Congratulations! You win a hug from the host!
Rich.
Too bad, so sad.
That rich!
Yeah, man,
try
you
again.
want this so?
Impression of Donald Trump.
The podium, yeah, man.
So we are officially going to
When him get shot. When he get shot.
What's that?
Too bad, so sad. I got a pity box after failing all those times. Santa's ringing the bell.
Congrats to all the winners. Anybody ready for gifts?
Yes! Christmas present.
Here you go.
Jessica!
Johnny!
What that look like my one?
And this was ordered specially for Jessica!
Jessica!
Especially for
Yes!
Sajay!
Yes! Yes!
Here you go.
There you go. Look back there.
Look that way. Right, hold on.
The lady carrying the bunny in the oven.
Hold on.
This one is from my adopted sister Talia.
One, two.
What time of day or night? You can color.
Jessica!
So this is a special one that my husband gets to go home with.
What could it be?
What could it be?
Empty. You know, alone. So ashamed from
Look
Chinese.
like.
I know you said no gifts, but I think you'll reconsider once you see what's inside. No. What could it be that could make my Grinch self
Enjoy Christmas.
What could it be?
Let's go.
Alright, this is
Open it.
this is hopefully
This is
check
Next month's like this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't get into it because they.
Thank you very much.
just in case you never get the notification on your phone.
Just in case, I appreciate this. It reminds me of my responsibility.
As an adult, as a man.
My family and my Oh,
I'm joking.
yeah, it's an empty box.
I'm joking. Here's the record. Here's the
It says, all me want for Christmas is you. Christmas is the most wonderful time of the year, and you are one of the most wonderful persons all through the year. You deserve this gift. Enjoy. It was a pleasure investing in your success. Your future looks exceptionally bright. Hope you like it. Julia M, that's my auntie. Hope it's everything you wanted. Love you, my son. Merry Christmas. Lennis, aka Daddy. Alright, there's a build up here. Panton. Who call me Panton? Alright.
Everybody.
Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy the upgrade. Upgrade.
New car.
Merry Christmas, babe. This was a joint effort because God knows I couldn't pull this one off one night on my own. I hope this laptop and we didn't royally screw this up. When God moves, He uses people, and boy did He your people show and show.
It's a laptop.
Merry Christmas, my second son. Continue to save for my red car.
Auntie Susan.
I love you, baby. Merry Christmas.
Red
Oh,
card.
my God. I love you guys so much. Oh.
Open. This is a Lenovo.
Yeah, oh, it's actually a laptop, guys.
Keyboard.
Hey, Shanta, that's a good one.
And it's going, 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 and it's going. Oh,
That's as far as it goes. Yeah, that's as far as it goes.
That's as far as it goes.
That's as far as it goes. One more. More kids, more up, more kids. A new keyboard. That's right. Keyboard and mouse. Read say, Merry Christmas to Pink Jessica from Pinky.
Bring some shirt.
Show off the presents. Yeah, turn it up. You get a computer mouse to the toy.
So where's my $100,000?
Look up, look up, look up. The American see what's in the basket. And I have uno.
You want help?
Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh my God!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I need this. Okay.
Yes.
Jessica, I get this.
Oh my god, my face will never
Nobody aim it off at Jessica. People will give you presents. Open up your presents. No, me.
I know, yeah.
I say.
I know.
Need oil fix. Look at me. Yes, this is a saving plan. Oh, you got greeting.
Jay necklace.
Jay necklace. One and a half here. You get a bag. Friends.
Family.
We know you like friends.
This beautiful card is telling me all about my achievements for this year. Mine. It says pink like my pink daughter. Pedicure set. I'm gonna work on some foot around here. When I want to look at my beautiful face.
When you're at work. Mirror on the wall. It's a cake. It's a cake. It's gray because I asked for gray. A fluffy blanket. Yes, I want the blanket tonight.
I'm ready to ask questions. Cheers!
Cheers!
Merry Christmas!
Next year we're doing it again, all alive and well.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Oh, my left.
No, Talia! Talia! What's up, girl?